Hello.
All right. Wait. Oh.
Oh dear.
We'll be taking some of these head parts. Yeah, move this. Oh, got it. Hey, our Pepsi can's still there.
Lovely.
Oh, a little water got in, but that's okay. I don't really need that valve cover.
That gasket.
Block.
So you're gonna lift this block out?
Yeah. Oh yeah, she'll come out.
Oh, she's had an oil change recently.
That's an old Motor Masters. Recently, I think this car's been here about 13 years. That'll sit on the right here. Yeah, let it go. See?
Oh, I trust that.
And we put the hood, or the head right back here. With the only door that opens. There's the head.
Probably should just drop your math gas torch. You could just cut the engine mounts.
Nah, they're pretty easy to get to.
Is that a Chevette?
Yes, that's Little Beaver.
Little Beaver.
That's another Chevette right there as well. I think this is a 70s, maybe early 80s Chevette. I think that one is a late model Chevette. That was kind of a cunt to get out. It was stuck in the block.
That's all.
This block's gonna need a lot of cleaning.
Oxide.
Yeah. Well, see, look at the transmission mount. See how much it fell off the frame. That's just TBI parts. Yeah. See how further the axle comes in on this side.
So do you know how to get the engine mounts off this thing?
Yes. The exact same as the automatics. We're gonna bring the head back first. Yeah, it's not much. Basically, you can just unbolt this mount from the block here, where like the water outlet is, and then there's another one over here that we can get to, and
then that massive one right here.
Yeah, I think this front
These two
one
bolts
here
should come out without too much trouble. They look pretty.
Yeah, it's only 6 bolts, and
you get the transmission off though.
Oh, it's very simple. That bolt. We should have enough space if we come up. I'm pretty sure that mount's just gonna break off the frame anyways. If you have a look, it's pretty rotten. If the fucking camera would focus, it's pretty rotten.
Let's take the set.
Just take this set?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab that yellow screwdriver there. That's my handy tool. We got the head and everything in there.
And he's using all the my tools because he's, too lazy to buy his own. Fuck you. That's a nice Toyota.
It's not. Now this is where we're going to have to set this. And now he's here to fuck us.
Alex, you're scraping the Jeep.
Fuck it, it's a Chrysler.
What the fuck?
Thorn hit me in the bum.
Oh my god.
Deep springs.
Are you good?
Yeah. Oh, this is a tight squeeze.
So we're...
Oh my god. We're making it.
We're gonna make sure that block doesn't stick out past the edge of the fucking wheelbarrow, or else we're gonna have some trouble.
Fucking rocks. There we go.
Oh, good luck getting through here.
You think we're getting through there?
Put her in 4-wheel drive.
What? Whoops. That's as far as we're going.
What?
Yeah.
What tripod?
The one to lift the engine out with.
How the fuck are we gonna get that out of there?
That's a stick shift. That's a Toyota, that's why. I should put a GMC badge on the fucking Cavalier.
No, you shouldn't. So Alex here, purveyor of the shitbox emporium, thinks that we're gonna use a Mi'kmaq fucking tippy-tacky talk to fucking pull a motor out.
Hey, wait. Yeah. This will be fun. It smells like mint.
Yeah, my hands smell like mint.
No, like smell over there. It just smells like mint.
Smell my hands.
Oh. Why do you smell like mint?
Probably mint leaves back here.
Weenie beanie. This is what we're gonna lift the motor out with.
Alright boys, let's go.
Oh, we made it. We got the tripod to the Sunbird. Nice.
You know what's really sad? These bolts are coming out easier than most of the bolts I've ever done on some like new cars that are actually maintained and not in a fucking junkyard in pieces.
Hey, that's further than... What fucking... Fuck you. Stupid piece of shit. pepperoni and green peppers, mushrooms, olive chives. Every turn I make on this car, it just sinks further into the ground.
You know, it's moments like these, you know, it's moments like these that really make you think, what the fuck am I doing? And after this, I gotta drive home in my shitbox Toyota with 4 blown struts and hope that the exhaust doesn't fall off down the road.
Yeah. I have my big fucking bar. My little hammer. Oh my god.
Not much left of that.
What's down here? There's a bottom torque arm, but I'm pretty sure that side of the frame rail is literally just rusted as shit. We gotta get that bolt off. There's one under this right here. And I'm just gonna break these belts because they're no good to me. Sweating my cunt off.
Oh my goodness.
Ah!
The fucking rage. That's unnecessary. Fuck you.
Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake, I was gonna grab wrenches.
Oh shit, you can't. The Terminal 5.
Terminal 5! Go on the hole! It's terminal velocity! Oh, that solves our issue. That wasn't...
Ooh, that was satisfying.
I ate my Wheaties this morning. Yep, there we go. It just about fell there. Just trying to pull that out of the way. Oh my god! I just broke the mount off the frame. I just have to be really careful not to break those because I need them. You can't buy shift cables for this anymore. Do I want to take that water pump off?
Get as much weight off the engine as you can.
Yeah.
That'll help.
Wow. Easy.
With a wrench, no less.
If it's in your way, get it out of your way.
Oh, the fucking frame just came up.
Oh my god, that water pump's disgusting.
Still got water in it. Oh god.
Ew. 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 We should pressure wash this. We should take it to the fucking car wash and pressure wash this block. The expensive part. $1,345 Rock Auto order later.
Parts are still on their way?
I haven't even ordered them yet. 40-year-old new old stock rings often get mixed up. Thanks, Rock Auto, for sending me Volkswagen Jetta rings for a Tercel wagon. Power steering is for little girls. You don't need it in a drift car.
No.
So, on my LQ5 and my Cavalier, some idiot had put a relocator for the oil filter. So it came out this way, and it leaked non-stop because there's no O-ring and no one tightened it down properly. This is where they're supposed to be. That's a big bonus. Fuck you. That pipe really wanted attention. Oh, shit. Okay, so we got bolt there, there's a couple underneath. Oh wow, half this firewall's collapsed.
She's fucking bulletproof, bud.
All right, we got this all set up.
Shit.
Out she comes. Any snags?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I think it's taking the transmission with it.
We're coming out with you.
Dude, look at the frame! Look at the frame!
Coming out whether you like it or not, bitch.
Dude, look at the fucking frame!
Oh. This is just gonna fucking snap the output shaft.
Please don't, I need that.
Let it down a little bit, maybe you can try.
No.
Keep going.
Oh my god, look at the axle!
Oh, fuck.
That's lifting the whole car. That's lifting the whole car. Okay, here, take a break from that. I gotta get in there with the pry bar. I might be able to just like pry those axles.
Ooh, belt. Oh god. Pull it off the bell housing, you probably slide it off the output shaft.
Yes, but we might be able to lift the whole thing out if I just cock the axles.
Or just break the frame.
I fucking love, dude, this was the best $60 I ever spent. Fucking bars. Is that a hole in the...
Oh no. Oh no.
I guess I'm using my old oil pan.
Fuck.
Yeah,
There's no holes in the block.
I hope not.
Hole in the oil pan. Right there.
That's unfortunate. I'm trying to pry this.
That was fun. I like destroying things.
The,
Oh fuck.
So. Okay, start lifting. Oh, fucking piece of shit stuck to the starter.
You going?
Hold on. Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. Yo! Woohoo! See, that wasn't so bad. Yeah. Okay, hold on.
That is the block of a Sunbird.
So. Did you see that fucking drop? I don't need that starter, so we're gonna take that off. I have a brand new one. It's like greened out on that sludge. Coolant leak. Which we kind of figured when we got into it, because this didn't have a radiator. They made a crossover pipe. But at least it doesn't have cracked cylinders or push rods or smacked valves.
Do you want to pull the pistons out as well?
Yeah. Yeah, because the crank's going to be a good...
Okay.
Yeah, that crank's going to be a fair bit of weight. No, I just don't really... They were a good little... There you go. There you go. 6-bolt main. That clutch is in good shape.
Yeah. Keep that.
No. That's gonna probably spin the crank.
Or yeet my fucking ratchet.
Driving deep sockets. Oh, there goes my phone. Won't need a whole lot. Yeah. Try to hold the block straight.
Yeah, she brought my fucking impact.
Just got it.
Nice. Crack them all free so we can just spin them all out.
This will just drop. Save these bolts. Too. All the engine parts collected. We are tired. We are dirty.
And we are hungry.
I'm not satisfied.
We're going to get some hot quarters for dinner.
I'm so fucked up. Great, I'm greasy again.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow. It's 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre.
Hello.
Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. But hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency. You can tell him, it's my son, he's hurting me and he's a felon. On parole for robbery, ain't no copping a plea, ain't no stopping a G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit sloppily, I drop a key properly.